Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. This video will show you how to fix this iPhone XS in recovery mode. After you can't connect to the computer for flashing, we will disassemble it to check the problem. Use a pick to open the screen gap. After uncovering the screw, unscrew the cable cover screw and remove the cover. Then disconnect the battery cable, screen cable and handset cable. Remove the screen. Apply anti-static stickers. Pull out the battery adhesive and remove the battery. Disconnect all cables on the motherboard. Take away the Face ID module. Unscrew the motherboard fixing screws and remove the motherboard. Then unscrew the camera cover screw. Remove the cover and remove the rear camera. Then unscrew the boot cable screw and remove the boot cable. It can be seen that the power button has been damaged, which may be the problem here. We replace a new power button cable. Fasten the cable screws. Align the cable and install it. Then install the motherboard. Fasten the cable. Screw on the motherboard fixing screws. Then install the rear camera and the cover, and screw on the screws. Continue to install the Face ID component and buckle the cable. Then put new adhesive on the battery. Align the battery in position and press. Apply new screen glue. Install the screen after removing the anti-static sticker. Fasten the handset cable, screen cable and the battery cable, and install the cover. Tighten the cover screws. Close the screen and press it well, and screw on the two fixing screws at the rear. Now that the phone can be turned on and the functions are normal. This iPhone XS repair is over.